find Mrs. Potts and Chip, who are apparently over here. Let's have a look-see.
Hello, Chip.
Here we go. There's Chip. Let's go see Mrs. Potts. There she is. Don't think we really look the parts being here. It's well classy. Jen heard Beauty and the Beast playing, so we came to have a look.
Monorail, guys.
Monorail! Monorail, monorail. Whoop, whoop. I don't know, I'm jumping down. Vlogception!
Our vloggers are gonna.
We just got Hayley and Jen into princess dresses. Pictures will be shown, probably. I'll insert pictures here.
Will you really though?
Stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking.
Because she's never been to Walt Disney World before, so yeah, we're waiting till actually going into the parks before she's allowed to see it. So she's hiding her eyes.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Someone's a bit eager.
She did it. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E Mickey Mouse Donald Duck Mickey Mouse Donald Duck La 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 Come along and sing along and join the family M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
We're stuck in a cart with these guys. Can't get out now.
Iron Man!
Where's Iron Man? Say alright to Iron Man.
Everyone's like, who you think Alright then.
Downey Jr.
We welcome you aboard our highway in the sky and hope you enjoy the Magic Kingdom. We are
We've not been yet.
Contemporary resort.
I've been excited when I do!
Hold on to the hand.
It's so close yet so far.
Thank you.
Damn you, traditions being so late.
One of the newest additions to the Disney Vacation Club. Bay Lake Tower.
What's your remote control? Oh, come on again! Yeah! Again. Oh. You two want to maybe we need to calm down. We need to lock now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we
but soon. Look at all the delicious food. Monsters Inc. Apples, I think, maybe.
We're gonna go to Disney
We're in Goofy's at the moment getting some snacks. So, the others, apart from Ashley, have gone home because they have traditions at like 6:30 in the morning. So, getting some nice sweet treats. They look delicious. Check that out. Look at that one. That is huge. I wonder why I took Kitty. Kitty. He's so cute. Look at